What if a pack of vicious, howling wolves actually used a fully democratic voting system to make choices? It sounds like a funny cartoon, but African wild dogs and some wolf packs literally vote on whether to hunt by sneezing. If the pack leader sneezes just a few times, the entire pack immediately gets up to attack. If a lower-ranking member sneezes, it takes way more sneezes from the group to finally pass the motion. If this hilarious wolf democracy fact totally amazed you, smash that like button and subscribe for more insane animal trivia.